Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to download Hitman 3 starter pack on Xbox One console or Xbox Series S and X. Basically why I am making this video, because directly if you are searching Hitman 3 on Microsoft Store, it is not available. That's why I'm making this video. Because we have to put some catchy words, to search. So I'm going to Microsoft Store, or I'm going to press directly Y. So here I can search Hitman. Simply you can see, if you put Hitman 3, you can see only standard edition or deluxe edition or access pass. But in order to search the starter pack, I need to type Hitman 3. See, still it is not found. So space, and now I'm going to type starter pack. See, now the search result is found. Hitman 3 starter pack. You can type starter pack completely or just mention ST like that. So here, I'm going to Hitman 3 starter pack. So I need to choose the right side, Hitman 3 free starter pack, because free is mentioned. So I'm going to choose that, free. So I need to choose get free. So super cool. You can check instant status of Hitman 3 free starter pack in my games and apps. Got it. Check Insta progress. So now it's ready to start. I can start the game. So Hitman 3 is open. So directly I'm going to tap this A button. So I accept. So I need to enter the IOA account. So I need to sign up. So provide your email ID here. So here, I need to enter the email address. Then I have to choose OK. Select I want to receive updates from IOI and give OK. Connecting to the Hitman server. So choose the settings. So moving to campaigns and Hitman 3 story mode. Story so far. On top of the world, I'm going to select it. Dubai mission. Super cool. It's just started. That's it, friends. This is the way you can download and install Hitman 3 on Xbox console. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my dear forms. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.